Hello everybody to lesson number 8 of CSS for attractive design. In this lesson we will know how to control the CSS padding, means what is the padding and how we could add the padding to decorate our website elements. So let's go and see what we have. First of all, we should know the padding. What is the padding? Imagine that we have here an element which is, for example, h2 element, okay, and we have here id. Let's call it padding 1. Great. So let's call that selector id v, and then okay. So now we have an element. Okay, let's add some text here. I'll say this is padding CSS. Okay, save it. Let's refresh the page and see what we have. So it's normal text. Okay. So here, how we could control this padding. The padding, what does it mean at first? Let's add a border and see 3 pixel, slide, and let's see red. Okay, save it, refresh, and see what we have here. Imagine this is a case, okay? Inside the case there is padding between the element inside and the border, the wall, which is inside. Okay, so here if I written I will write that another element here, see padding 2, and here in padding 2 I will add the same thing. Great. So let's go to the padding 1 and see what we have. I will see padding, okay, then I will write 40 pixel, save it, refresh the page, and see what we have. So here is the normal text. Normal text is without padding, but this text is with 40 pixel padding. Means what? Means that we have a space between the element and its wall. It's inside, so the padding is inside, but the margin, if you remember, is outside. So here is the padding, which is the element and the space inside that element and its case. Okay, so here's the element and here's the padding of that. Also, we could control the padding from every element, every side of that element. For example, we could see padding top, and we could see for that 30 pixel, and we could see padding bottom and see, for example, 80 pixel, and padding right, which could be 30 pixel, sorry, and we could see padding left. So we have top, right, bottom, left, and you could see, for example, 10 pixel. Save it and reload and see what we have. So here is the top is short, the bottom is the largest, which is 80 pixel, and the left, which is 10, and so on. So this is how we control the padding, with specific element. We have also an abbreviation for that thing, which could be used for that for all of that things, which is padding, as we learned with the margin. Okay, so the padding has, if you create one value, if you write one value, it will be assigned for all sides, for the top and right and bottom and left. But if we if we write 2 elements for the 30 pixel, it will be the first will be for the first element, and the second, the first will be for the top and the bottom, the second will be for the right and the left. But if we write 4 elements, for example here 50 pixel, 70 pixel, if we write all these elements, it will go in this order. The first one is top, then right, then bottom, then left. So it goes like that: top, right, bottom, left. So save it and come here, refresh the page, and see how it is. Okay, imagine that we have here something called width, okay, which we will take it in the next lesson. And in this width we have, for example, 300 pixel. Okay, let's refresh. See that we have 300 pixel. Okay, and the padding, for example, let's see, it's only 50 pixel. Great. And here we have, for example, width. and that width had also 50 300 pixel, 300 pixel. See that, and see what is the difference. See, here we have in that element we have only width with 300 pixel. Okay, here we have also width with 300 pixel, but we have also another element which is the padding, which is 50. Am I right? Yes, 50 pixel. So we have 50 pixel and 50 pixel here, right and left. So when we count 50 and 50, it would be 100, and 100, when we add that 100 for the whole width, which is 300, it would be 400. So this element is larger than that element because we have also extra padding. So this element we have no padding, only width, which is 300. Here we have padding, which is right 50 and left 50, which is 100, and also we have the width. So this could be I mean, we should focus on this thing and recognize when we design, so that sometimes the design appears ugly and you don't know what's the reason. You should imagine that there is something could bad in that you couldn't see it, or which was the result of that, and you think it's the width, and you control the width and the problem still without any fixing. So take care of that things. So that was the lesson, and thanks for listening. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and see you again. Bye.